we were just discussing earlier kay Mayor, what is a partnership? I'll go back its background muna ng konti. Maybe 2 years ago, every time may malaking bagyo, you'll notice na maraming basura sa Manila Bay. In one of those typhoons that hit Manila, President Aquino visited yung ating flood pumping station in Binondo. And I got a call from the President. Paano ba natin ma-improve? Because they were clogging. Even if mayroon silang garbage collector ring, pero may clogging pa rin sa which reduces the effectivity ng pumping station. Paano ba natin ito masusolusyonan? And kanina pinakita na a key river is San Juan, and one of the contributor din naman talaga is Kalikasan. That's why we partner with Quezon City. Quezon City partners with UST in providing the site, in providing inputs. Kaya nakita natin kanina na because of their contribution, why mas madali ngayon i-material transfer from the bin to the truck. And among others, marami inputs. After, this was, pinag-aralan natin nasa Binondo. But they were imported on foreign supplier, foreign manufacturer. This is the first localized mechanized trash collector. And Quezon City willingly adopted a prototype. Second, this is the first trash collector that is installed outside the pumping station. Doon talaga sa nagko-contribute to the pumping station. So if we can collect trash away from the pumping station, nababawasan ang kailangan kolektahin doon sa pumping station, meaning decluttering. Madali ma-imagine na halos wala na aabot sa Pasig River. At wala rin na aabot sa Manila Bay. So yung malaking, the morning after, or the day after, every big typhoon is collecting trash from Manila Bay. So possibly sana mabawasan. Because of this partnership, we will keep on improving it. Again, with the help of Quezon City, kanina lang, pinag-usapan na dito kung haba-amba yung lake. All of this are being considered because we have to learn from actual operation and to keep on improving it, and hopefully this can address yung decluttering.
The good secretary. The automatic trash rate facility is a joint project of the Quezon City government and the Department of Science and Technology, which was made possible through the memorandum agreement that we signed last March 31, 2014. The facility was developed by DOST through the Metals Industry Research and Development Center and implemented in Quezon City. In line with our disaster mitigation initiatives, the flood control facility was put up on Baligasa Creek along Gregorio Araneta Avenue, corner Mauban Street in Barangay Manresa. Automatic trash rake was installed to collect the garbage before the water goes to adjoining major creeks leading to the San Juan River. Secretary Monteo and the DOST on the Supreme Court mandamus that all of us LGUs must be able to clean our riverways, our waterways, our creeks, tributaries, and esteros, so that Manila Bay is clean. And this order came from the Supreme Court, instructing DNR and all the other LGUs and all the other departments to make sure that Manila Bay is clean by May period, baka next year yata or 2016 something. And this is a response. No? This is a response to the Supreme Court mandamus. The Supreme Court mandamus. And I'd like to thank Secretary Montejo and the DOST for responding and acting on the mandamus of the Supreme Court.